Hey, you somehow, guys, like somehow I'm excited. Like somehow I'm very excited. Like damn, bro. Okay. So SB19 gave us two tracks. All right, and I'll be reacting to both of them at once. So I'll be reacting to Time and Donka. All right, I've seen them, but I was so tired I went to sleep. But give thanks today, I'm alive and well to give my reaction to these two bars. Okay, guys. So it's a Jamaican friend, right? I'm now ready to see what is taking place in these videos. So you all are ready? Let's take a walk together, man. So the first one I'll be checking out, it's Time.
Rotting in bed, numb and upset. The hands on a clock, I'm moving along. It feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop, I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard cause I don't want it cast. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try.
Oh my god. Oh my god, yo. Okay. Wow. 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 No way, bro. No way, no way. No way. No way. Powerful message. Beautiful song. Extraordinary voice. Hey, one thing for sure, bro. SB19 never misses. Like every song they've done, every topic they've touched on, it's always an entertainment, bro. It's always this mesmerizing feeling coming from every topic they touch on, bro. Like their messages in their songs, it's top notch. And it's reality. A definite reality.
Cause one day we'll run out of all of these are natural. No one's really in control, but we live a little cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile, hoping for a sign. If there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. Never lose behind, seeking you will find. There's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat, it's beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do when we got nothing to lose. But we're not changing with trust, fighting for whatever cause. If the lights dying, don't you ever cease to refuse. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts.
No way! Rap! No way, dog. No way. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. This is some beautiful song. Guys, you know, it's okay, it's love. Love is one of the most treasuring thing man could ever get on earth, bro, while living. Alright? And once people can literally look through, right, and look through the thoughts, right, that person loves you, that person cherishes you, that person could have been in a car, anywhere, been walking on the street together, you know, taking a flight, you know, anything. Once it's together, right, then that's where the love flows, right? That person always be beautiful, enchanting, amazing, gorgeous. You name the nice words, right? That's love, bro. That's love. And once you understand each other, bro, that's where the winning championship comes in, bro. love is a very essential thing when you have it, bro. It's not something we should play with, bro. I ain't gonna cap on that, bro. Trust me.
I'm trying hard cause I know what it costs. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. You raise things I don't understand. Friends love us to line to run out.
Who the fuck wrote this song? Oh, because one day we'll run out of time, bro. Right? So it takes nothing for us to try. Try to love. Right? Try to embrace each other. You know, sometimes, bro, things doesn't go our way, but it's worth to try. Just try. Right? Because we're not perfect. And you know, once things isn't going north because we expected it to go south, then we are failures, bro. No one's perfect. But you can always try, man. Just try. Right? We are couples. We're human, so let's try.
I'm well aware there's no reason in this world, so I'll never ever walk away with toes left unturned. Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me, come here cause I don't want them. Time, memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. And I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run out of.
Guys, you see, that is the reason why we should accept others, bro. That is the reason why we should love each other, bro. That is the reason why we should embrace. Because no one knows the minute, the second, not the hour. Things can go south. Right? Love that person. Cherish that person. Waste no time on unnecessary things. That's just it, bro. Bro, and you know, you see the reason why we should embrace every moment. Do not cuss. Do not argue. Get over things together. Right? Put the anger aside. put the differences aside and to sort out the thing that caused people to argue. Because once that person leave this earth, that's the time you'll regret. That's the time you're gonna have flashbacks. Because what? You can't bring that person back. Right? There's no way. Right? So let us embrace, let us cherish that person. Right? This was a very perfect music video. I am feeling this. It is very resonating. I can feel this. Alright, people. So thanks. We're gonna check out DUNKGA at this point. So let's go.
Kung nakakandado, parang ibang nagpupumilit kahit imbitado. Boy, halatado, desperado, huli ka, balbon, balbon. Kalawang para sa kanin tuto. Huwag nang magtangka pang sumalise. Daming patibong nag-aabang dyan sa tabi. Pasensya ko ay medyo...
Oh! Rap, bro! That took a tremendous turn. That was unexpected, bro. This is the reason why I love SB19. You know why? The creativity. The music videos are dope. It is like a movie, bro. Damn, dog. Like, rap!
I say, nahu, baka makitang inanap mo. Yung bang malupit humahupit. Dito sa bahay ko, ayoko magulo. Ang aabutin mo, palo, pag di ka matino, pasang malatado. Kung di mo to gusto, tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka, kung di mo to gusto. Tumabay ka dyan.
Sa kaliwa, mag-ingay tayong lahat para sa SB. Sa kanan naman, wag na yan. Kaibigan, pakinggan naman natin ngayon 1 minuto para sa SB.
Kasi dito basta-basta pusta di mo kaya, oy. Pakitig sa bunga puno ng iba nagdadapog ka. Lapok ka, di na nabayan niya sa baba. Kapag ako na, nagpakawala, baka ikaw pa ang paghahanapin nila. Iyak ko manakit na makulit. Dito sa bahay ko, ayokong magulo. Ang naabutin mo, palo, pag di ka nagtino, pasang malata ko. Kung di mo to gusto, tumabay ka dyan.
Oh my god! Rap, bro. This is sick. This is dope. This is energetic, bro. It's as if I'm there. Like I'm there personally. Right? It's giving that feeling, bro.
Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka dyan. Tumabay ka kung di mo to gusto. Tumabay ka dyan.
Music! Music! This is quite impressive. SB19, you guys are dope. You guys are supernaturally dope. Ain't no freaking way you guys are on the king of pop, bro. The king of pop.
Ako si Stel! Kanta ka sa akin!
That was quite aggressive, if you ask me, bro. That was quite an aggression. But the lady here in this dress looking the pink, fuck, she's gorgeous, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she's top notch, beautiful. Oh, Boklayo, the voice. Bomba, bro. This is quite a beautiful song. Extraordinary video. Everything here. It's outstanding. The person who is singing with that lovely vocal, that guy's genius. Everything is perfect, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That is the end of the video. Very done, SB19. Very done. Very done. Very well done. Both songs are beautiful. You know, DUNKGA and also Time. Right? Time is perfect. DUNKGA is a very energetic video. So it's a perfect combination. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man.